Hey everyone, if you want to transfer files using AnyDesk in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to send and receive files easily between two computers. First, connect to the remote computer using AnyDesk. Without an active connection, file transfer won't work. Next, open the file transfer option from the session toolbar. Yeah, this allows you to access both local and remote file systems. Now choose the files you want to transfer. You can select documents, images, videos, or any supported file type. Select the destination folder on the remote computer. So make sure you choose the correct location to avoid confusion later. Click the transfer button to start sending files. AnyDesk will now securely move the files between devices. Wait for the transfer to finish. Yeah, larger files may take more time depending on your internet speed. Once done, check the destination folder to make sure the files were transferred correctly. Always verify to avoid missing files. You can also transfer files using drag and drop, so simply drag files from your computer into the AnyDesk window. Another method is copy and paste. Yeah, this works well for small files and text-based content. When you're finished, disconnect the session safely from the toolbar. This ensures your connection is properly closed. And that's it, you've successfully transferred files using AnyDesk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.